I will share with you my methods, my strategy, okay? So make sure to watch this video until the end. If you guys missed one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this. Anyway, this is my affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshot, okay? I made this commission just in one single month, in the month of August, okay? This is my commissions, this is my clicks, my CTR. I can click here. This is my dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments, postback. Even my ID is here. I don't need to show that, but that's fine. Anyway, so for people who are interested and they want to start making money with affiliate marketing using Facebook, step number one, go to Google and search for this website. Search for Fiverr, okay? Click on the first link. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your homepage and you should have an account like this one. All you have to do is you just need to use your email address and that's it. So you just need to come to this page. This will be your Fiverr homepage and scroll down. Keep scrolling down like this. Go to community and click over here on affiliate. And you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, guys, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions and you can make a lot of money with this business, okay? Anyway, just click over here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you can see, guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do is you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private, okay? Do you have a main source of traffic? You guys can say yes or no. If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no, okay? And choose your country from here. You guys can choose your country from here and choose your language from here. It's super easy. And if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. Sign up process is super easy. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. So what you need to do next is you need to choose good services that you should start promoting on Facebook to earn commissions. And I will share with you guys the method that I'm using to find a profitable services that I'm promoting on Facebook. So what you will do next, you will go to your Facebook homepage. Let's go to our Facebook homepage. Just open your Facebook account like this and click over here on the search and search for video editor. Search for video editor, okay? This is one of my profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting on Facebook. You have here filters. Scroll down and click on groups like this, and here you go. You will find a lot of Facebook groups that you need to join, so make sure to join all those groups. They are public. Those groups are public groups, so even if you didn't join those groups, you can use those groups, okay? Anyway, so let's choose, for example, let's choose this one, short video editors. I will click on this group like this and I will scroll down, and here you go. We have here a person search for I need translator from English to Arabic. We don't need that. We will scroll down to see if we can find some people here who are searching for video editors. And here you go. You guys can see this one just posted this post today. This one just posted this post today. Video editors urgently needed for a company video editing project. This one is searching for video editor. Let's scroll down, and here is another one. We are looking for a talented video editor. This one also searching for video editor. You guys can see. Let's scroll down. Here is another person, need an expert video editor. Guys, a lot of people here searching for video editors. So this one also searching for video editors. Let's scroll down. You can find a lot of people here. They need video editors, okay? Let me see. Here is another person. I need freelancer to my project. Typing, writing, translating, logo design. This one is searching for a lot of services that you can use. Here is another person need video editor for TikTok. Let's choose, for example, I will choose this person, for example. I will click on his name and I will click over here on message. So I will send a professional and friendly message with my Fiverr affiliate link to this person, okay? But first, before we send this message to this person, we need to go to Fiverr. Go to your Fiverr homepage like this. Click over here on the search and search for video editing. It's already popular right now on Fiverr. Search for this service, video editing, like this, okay? I want you to pay close attention in this step, okay? Please pay close attention. Search for video editing, scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service. What you need to do is you need to choose a good sellers who has like level 2 sellers, level 1 seller, top rated sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link, they will check if those sellers they have good reviews, good feedback. If those sellers are good sellers, people will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. This one is level 2 seller. He has over 1000 reviews. His service starting from $10, which is really good. He is providing fast delivery, which is really good too, okay? What you will do, you will click on his service like this. Just click on his service, okay? And you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, okay? Let me show you. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, and as you can see guys, it's already working. People already paying for those services. This seller has 12 orders in queue. Over 1000 people paid for this service, okay? What you need to do is you need to copy the link of this seller, copy his profile link like this, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here, and you have your dashboard, marketing tools. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page over here. Let me show you. You will be directly in this page like this. So click over here on deep link, put this seller profile link here, and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook. You need to send this affiliate link to this person who is searching for video editor. So what you will do, so first, if you guys just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you will not see like this option in your affiliate account. If you have new account, this one, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So just copy your affiliate link from here and go back to Facebook. And this, so first, you guys can see this affiliate link is too much long, so we need to make it short link. So I will use this website. You guys can use it. It's not important, but I like. You can, and your affiliate link will be short link like this, okay? What you will do next, you will copy this affiliate link, and you need to go back to Facebook, to this person who searched for video editor for TikTok. This person on Fiverr can edit any videos, TikTok or Instagram or YouTube, because he is a video expert. He already have experience in editing, okay? So we need to create a professional message and friendly message that we can send to this person. So what you will do next, go to ChatGPT, go to Google, search for ChatGPT, and you guys can use this AI website to create a professional and friendly message. So I asked him, create a friendly and professional message that I can send to people on Facebook groups to buy video editing service from my Fiverr affiliate link. And here you go. He created this message. It's about gaming videos. Then I asked him, it's not about gaming, and I did, and ChatGPT write me this professional and friendly message. You guys can see, are you looking to make your videos stand out with a polished professional touch? Whether you are creating content for YouTube, social media, or personal projects, a scaled video editor, and this is a professional message. What you need to do, you just need to copy this message like this. I will copy this message like this, and you guys can see here you need to put your Fiverr affiliate link. So I will go back to Facebook and I will send this message to this person here like this. Check out this service through my check out this service. I will delete this in this website, okay, like this. And here you guys need to put your affiliate link here, okay. So let me show you how we can do it. I'm gonna delete this part. Okay, so we need to put our affiliate link here. So I will go and I will copy my affiliate link again from here. I will go back to Facebook. I will put this affiliate link here, and here you go. And all you need to do is you just need to click on send, and here you go. Your message will be sent to this person like this, you guys can see. And your message will be sent to this person with your affiliate link, you guys can see. It's a professional and friendly message, and if this person is still searching for video editor, he will get back to you. And if for example, if he clicks on your affiliate link, for example like this, if he click on your affiliate link, he will be directly in this seller profile page on Fiverr like this, you guys can see. If he click on continue, buy this service from you for $10, you will get commission, and that's it. It's super easy. The business model is simple, okay, and that's how it works. Guys, you have a lot of people here searching for video editors. Go to Fiverr, search for video editors, use those, you copy, create your affiliate link, and start sending message to those people who are searching for video editors. If you can't make commissions like this, the problem is you, okay. The problem is you. You need to go and learn how you can sell, how to talk with customers. Go learn marketing, go learn sales. Go to YouTube, you have a lot of videos for free that you can learn these skills. If you have the skills, you can make a lot of money with this business model, okay. We have every single day, if you come to those groups, you will find a lot of new people searching for video editors. So it's like you just need to connect sellers with buyers. We have on Fiverr, we have unlimited people providing video editing services, you guys can see. And we have on Facebook groups a lot of people searching for video editors, and that's it. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. Also guys, I already have an affiliate marketing course that's covering everything from scratch. How you can use free traffic, how to create content, how to promote your affiliate links using free traffic, and so much more. If you are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will get back to you, and I'm very happy to help you guys. And thank you so much for watching again. If you have any question, leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.